For some children, this ice cream shop is their first stop after being confined in their homes for 7 weeks. The government allowed children under 14 to go out for 4 hours on Wednesday as part of its easing of controls to contain the virus. For the Kolak family, it's a welcomed relief after weeks of restrictions.
The biggest drawback of the lockdown was about my son not socializing with his friends, because he communicates only with adults at home. The child needs another child, to be with his peers. We couldn't provide that.
The government also allowed people over 65 years to leave their homes for 4 hours on Sunday. The control on both the old and young is set to be completely lifted at the end of May. The government claims with the daily coronavirus death toll halved, now is the time to ease some controls. Shopping malls are reopening with health measures being enforced, including taking customers' temperature before they enter. Critics say the government is prioritizing the economy over public health.
Like all the other countries in the world, they are between the rock and the hard place. How much should we engineer our policies in order to make sure that the health issue does not get out of hand? And second, what do we do under those circumstances to prevent the devastation of the economy?
Increasingly crowded Istanbul streets led the government to warn against complacency and reiterated the need for social distancing. While President Erdogan announced a 4-day lockdown in main cities for this Turkish holiday weekend. But under the government's so-called normalization process, hairdressers and barbers are also reopening now.
I am opening the shop with such excitement as if it is the first time because I missed it. I miss the people. I am so used to being here. But of course, there is fear. There is fear. You can't be without fear because this is not a joking matter. We have to be scared.
He does not have to wait long for customers. First to arrive, Jakub, a tailor and a regular client since his childhood.
We waited for this day too long. I hope it would be good for our nation, of course, with the condition that we all follow the rules. The future is uncertain. The limitations can be introduced again, but we are putting up our own fight as much as we can. There is nothing much more we can do.
Whatever the future may hold, for now, Şimşek savours the moment with the hope that Turkey is turning the corner in its battle against the epidemic. Dorian Jones for VOA News, Istanbul.